Namaskar. If you are following healthy food habits, you may be eating plenty of fruits and vegetables. Some vegetables, such as pumpkins, spinach, carrots, and so on, are very popular. Today, let us find about 6 green leafy vegetables that are not so popular but surprisingly very good for health. First, among 6 green leafy vegetables, 1. Moringa leaves or sarjan ki pattiyan. These commonly available leaves are rich source of vitamin C and potassium. They contain calcium, protein, iron, and amino acid, which helps your body to rejuvenate faster and to build muscles. Moringa leaves are also packed with antioxidants, substances that protect cells from damage and may boost your immune system. These leaves do not have a very strong flavor and can be eaten raw directly from the tree or can be added with soups or garnishing your salads. Second, cauliflower leaves or full gobi ki pattiyan. These broad leaves are excellent source of iron. About 40 milligrams of iron in about 100 grams of leaves. Cauliflower is naturally low in calories and helps in suppressing appetite. Hence, it's a good choice for a perfect diet food. These leaves have fiber and potassium, which promotes the movement of food in the intestine and limits water retention. To consume these leaves, you may simply chop them finely and make a leafy vegetable by itself or add them with some other things in your dals. Third, radish leaves or mooli ke patte. These leaves contain essential vitamins and minerals, and it also acts as a detoxifying agent. The high iron and phosphorus content of radish leaf increases immunity and reduces fatigue. They also contain sufficient fibers that helps in digestion process. These sharp tasting leaves can be lightly stir fried with or without onion, can be an interesting side dish for lunch or dinner. Fourth, rocket leaf or Arugula. In Hindi, it is known as Taramira. These leaves reduce the risk of cancer, improves eyesight, and provides you with a healthy bones. Other things by consuming Arugula includes strengthening the brain, improving metabolic function, helping absorption of minerals in the body, and boosting the immune system. The beautiful rocket leaves are very popular as salads. They can be combined with other salads, vegetables, or cottage cheese. Fifth, mustard leaves or sarson ke patte. These leaves have abundant vitamin C, vitamin K, and plant chemicals with antioxidants and anti-cancer properties. Including mustard leaves in diet can help your heart, eyes, and immune system. The peppery mustard leaf is very popular in North India and people eat it during winter season. They prepare a popular dish called as sarson ka saag. 6. Tamarind leaves or imli ke patte. These tiny leaves are considered to be very effective in easing joint pains and swelling because of their anti-inflammatory properties. They are rich in ascorbic acid, vitamin C, and tartaric acid that help in building your immunity naturally. A tamarind leaf extract is used as an antiseptic for healing wounds and skin infections. Tamarind leaves tea can really help in solving cold, cough, and bad throat. Whenever they are available, include these 6 leafy vegetables in your diet. And all this is for good health and add varieties to your meals. So do it and enjoy. Namaskar.